Welcome back to my channel ArtisticJhinuk, where we are learning the complete ISTQB Foundation level new syllabus 2020 in an easy and simple way and can clear the exam without any difficulties. In our previous video, we have learned about testing and debugging. Now, in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about the second topic of this chapter, that is, why is testing necessary? Before moving to the topic, we will revise about testing. Testing is a process with a series of activities involved. When we are checking something, we need to make sure whether the system or component is okay or is working as expected. To make sure this, we need to test everything or anything possible, as no one is perfect and things can always go wrong or in the other direction unexpectedly. Usually people don't find mistakes in their own written code. Let's know now why testing is necessary. The continuous testing of a component or system or any associated document such as requirements, specifications will eventually reduce the risk of releasing the software in the market. But before giving the software to the end users, we must be sure about its quality. More testing and finding more defects provides us with better quality system or software or a product or an application. Sometimes the developed software must satisfy all the contractual or legal requirements or industry specific standards, which needs again testing to make sure this. Here we have completed this topic and now we are aware of why testing is necessary. In our next video of this series, we will discuss the next subtopic, that is how testing contributes in success. See you there. Please give this video a like and subscribe my channel ArtisticJhinuk for more videos. Thank you for learning with me and keep learning more and more.